Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. Today, my name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make an extra $950 in PayPal cash. And actually, I'm going to show you two methods. So the first method, it's going to be good, but the second method, it's going to be even more lucrative, and I'm going to show you why that is. And so let's get started right now. So you guys, I'm just going to jump right in here, and this is the page where you can make an extra $950 in PayPal cash. Look at this guy. He's making an extra $950 per month by just simply using this HubPages site. It's found at hubpages.com. And what this site is about, it is about a network of sites where people write about their passions, okay? So you have all these people writing about different topics, and it's very simple topics that they write about, and it's just topic that you choose of whatever you want to write about. But what this is that when you write on this website, this hubpages.com is a high authority domain. And what that means is that when you write on this website like that, it gets ranked on Google very quickly, and that means that you're going to get a lot of readers coming to your article if you write on here. And so how do you make money though, right? So you see this person is making an extra $200 a month. Okay, Eddie was the one that was making $950. There's other people that's making money here as well. Here's $600 per month, $300 per month. What you're doing here is that you're just going to be picking a niche, okay? You're going to be picking a niche on a topic that you want to write about, and then you're going to use, I'm going to tell you the method how you're going to make sure that your articles get ranked on Google and get read by people. How are you going to make money with this website though? So here it is. This is their FAQ. So when you are writing your articles on HubPages, HubPages is going to have certain revenue generating elements to this website. So if I click on one of these articles, let's say, you'll see that there's going to be ads here. You see, you see ads on the side here, and they may have other things in here like affiliate links that you can earn from. So you must think, well, these aren't my ads. How am I going to earn from that? So on their FAQ here, what they're trying to tell you is about this earnings program that they have. So when you set up your account here, you need to join the earnings program to be able to start earning from your articles, okay? And what the earnings program includes is that they have an ad program like Google AdSense or a better ad revenue ad program, because their site has a lot of traffic, and when you have a lot of traffic, you can go into ad networks that pay a premium for that traffic. And they also use the Amazon affiliate program. So Amazon has an affiliate program, and what that means is that an affiliate program comes from the affiliate marketing business model, where you can promote other people's products for commissions if you can generate new sales for them. So HubPages are using these two programs to earn from this website, and then what they're doing is that whatever your articles generate for your pages, then they're going to share your portion of this revenue with you. Every time someone views one of your articles, we display ads and or affiliate products. You then make earnings from revenues attributable to your articles, which revenues are shared between you and HubPages. In order to participate in the ad and Amazon programs, you must activate the earnings program, and they will provide you on how to get paid directly for the ad and the Amazon program earnings. And they also have other things like contest prize earnings, okay? And then there is a minimum unpaid earnings balance of $50 that you have to meet before you can get paid out by PayPal. So they do use PayPal, which they pay out once a month on the 5th, okay, of the following month. Now, how much money can you make? It is certainly possible to earn money on hub pages. However, we are careful not to overpromise results because earnings depend largely on the effort and skill each writer puts in. Those who approach hub pages with diligence, patience, and the determination to write high-quality articles on what people are searching for can earn a steady side income. The most important thing to keep in mind is that it takes time to gain the readership that leads to significant earnings. So the best way to find success on this platform is by first picking a niche, okay? So you can see some of the examples here, Den Garden. And so this one is talking about different types of plants, okay? And this one's Patient's Lounge. This is talking about some medical stuff here. So you gotta pick a niche that you want to talk about. This one's about food, okay? So the more you build out your page, the more you can earn, obviously, right? And then what the types of article would rank the best is these list types, okay? Top 13, 30 cute cupcake quotes, 22 ingredient cake mix recipes, 30 cute cupcake quotes, etc., right? So writing these articles aren't too hard because you're going to be picking a topic that you really love to talk about. So all you got to do is either research your topic for that one article, and then you just write about it. You see how this one is just a recipe. So they're not even really writing anything, and they're just listing out a recipe for people to follow. So if you are a cook or whatever, and you know how to make things, this is an easy topic for you to go into. But there are many other topics, okay? This is just one example, guys. The other way that I want to show you in this video is that although this is a great start for you guys to earn portion of ad revenue and affiliate commissions, what if you were able to just earn 100% of all that, right? And the way that you can do that is by actually writing for your own website, okay? So instead of going to the hub pages to do it, you can actually do it for yourself. And how you can do that and how you can learn how to do it properly is by going to a site like this, okay? This is where I started. This is how I've built my website, workanywherenow.com, that I showed you in the beginning of this video. So I earn ad revenue and I earn affiliate commissions 100%, okay? I'm in a niche that I don't use Amazon affiliate program. I use other affiliate programs because I'm in a different niche. I do have an affiliate account with Amazon and I use it for various small things, but that's not my main niche to promote Amazon products. So it doesn't matter because whatever affiliate program you want to use, Wealthy Affiliate here, this is a training platform that teaches you how to build your own affiliate website on a topic that you choose, that you want to create your website for. So instead of writing for hub pages, you could be writing for yourself on your own website like I have with workanywherenow.com. And I learned it right here at Wealthy Affiliate in 2016. I started here and I'm still there after, I guess this is my 4th year in this program, because now I kind of help other people learn how to do it on their own as well. I am on here helping other people build their own affiliate website so they can also earn through affiliate programs, earn through ad revenue. So you can do that, and they teach you exactly how to write, what to write, and how to find your audience and make your website get traffic on its own by ranking on Google. So this is exactly how I was doing it and how I learned it. So if you are interested to earn 100% ad revenue and 100% affiliate commissions, I urge you to learn how to do it yourself from scratch. Okay, they teach you how to do it from scratch, and that's a very important online skill to have. So in order for you guys to get to this page with my face on it though, okay, you want to have my face on here. I'm known as Littlemama on this platform. So in order for you to get to this page, you want to use my link, workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama. When you click on that link, it's going to take you to a place where it's going to explain more about what's inside here and how I've used it to generate a lot of money, okay? And if you start here, all you need is your email address, no credit card required. You just get started. You can look me up. They have a search bar right on top. You can look me up, Littlemama, look at my profile, and look at my journey on my right side of my profile, or under it says blog post, there's a tab for blog posts. You can see how much money that I've been earning on this platform and how you can too. But income disclaimer, my results are not typical. I really have to say that. And check out the full disclaimer in the video description, okay? Once you sign up here, you will go into the training. They have 2 courses that you can check out, okay? Once you like the training, I highly advise you to upgrade to premium, because that is how you can unlock all 5 levels of the training, and you will need all 5 levels because you'll get 50 lessons in total, and you need all the lessons so you could build your affiliate website properly, okay? And I'm going to be there as your free coach. That is one of my bonuses if you sign up with me, and I'm going to have other bonuses that's going to be listed on your profile after you have signed up, okay? I will send it on your profile. I will write you a message, so look out for that, okay? So that's really the best option that I suggest, because if you are writing for somebody else, if they ever shut down, all your work is gone, okay? And so why you want your own domain and why you want to write for your own website is because then you 100% own it. And then you could own 100% of the ad revenue that you're going to get, and all the 100% affiliate commissions. And you can use any affiliate program. There are thousands and thousands of affiliate programs for you to join, not just one Amazon, okay? So you're going to be earning a lot more money if you do this on your own website. And I highly suggest you use the training here at Wealthy Affiliate for you to learn how to do it and make this your business. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I come out with videos every single week, guys, but I have no idea when they come out. And sometimes I have more videos and sometimes I have less. So get notified, all right? So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.